The day begins with a pressure no one can explain. The sky dims, the wind rises, and creation braces for a coming king. Thunder rolls from above the clouds. Dust lifts, oceans churn, and mountains tremble as humanity senses a verdict approaching. The sky tears open in violent light. A blinding rip spreads across the heavens like a war gate forced apart. A trumpet blast erupts, raw, piercing, shaking bones. Every nation hears it. The proud collapse while the righteous lift their eyes. A white horse bursts through the opening. Christ rides forward, eyes like fire, crowned with glory, his robe dipped in blood. Behind him, heaven marches. Rank after rank of radiant warriors descend in perfect formation, their armor glowing like molten metal. The earth convulses as the king descends. Cities shake, islands flee, and mountains bow while lightning crowns the armies behind him. He lowers himself toward the earth as rightful ruler. His voice thunders like many waters, and rebellion collapses under his authority. The ground cracks as his feet draw near. Light floods the world, thunder roars, and heaven declares, the warrior king has returned. The armies of the beast gather in defiance, unaware the king already stands upon the field. Darkness thickens across the land as fear grips the nations, and every eye turns toward Jerusalem. The king's voice rolls across the battlefield like thunder, shaking foundations and exposing every hidden rebellion. A sword of living light proceeds from his mouth, striking with authority no earthly power can resist. Thrones collapse in an instant as the structures of human pride crumble beneath his revealed glory. The land reacts to his presence, mountains split and the valley opens exactly as Scripture foretold. The enemy's power dissolves before him, not by human force, but by the brightness of his coming. The nations see the king in unveiled majesty, and terror grips every heart that resisted his reign. Heaven's armies secure the field behind him, moving in perfect formation as the last resistance falls. The king stands upon Zion, the rightful ruler taking his throne as creation bows in recognition. Heaven declares his eternal reign, and the earth echoes the decree, the warrior king now rules forever. Before you go, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tap the bell. It strengthens the work and helps this reach those who need it.